Good morning to all of you. This is for professional ethics students. This class is particularly for professional ethics students. Friends, remember, according to section 49, the Bar Council of India can frame rules regarding the conduct of the advocates. If they fail to fulfill the so-called rules of conduct, they will be liable for misconduct and they can be dealt with under section 35 of the Advocates Act. This is the brief introduction. Every class I will be telling you like this only. And in the first rules 1, 2, 3, 4. So maintain your dignity, self-dignity. Second is respectful attitude toward the court. And you are an officer of the court. You should assist the court in correcting in arriving at the correct judgment. That's why jocularly will be telling you, now and then I will be cracking the joke, stating that judge need not know the law, but a lawyer should know the law. Judge need not know the law, but a lawyer should know the law, because you are the arbiter. You have to take the case to the logical end. Therefore, you have to fight for the point of law. So therefore, you must be very, very vigilant, careful and cautious. But at the same time, you should assist the court. So having legal knowledge, having update legal knowledge, you must take the court to come to a correct decision. So please remember, judge is the arbiter and you are the two cricketers, and ultimately he will refer the matter either to this side or that side. So therefore you have to assist the court. That's why now and then we have been telling that an advocate is an officer of the court. Please remember, he is also an officer of the court. That means the advocate has got an onerous duty to assist the court in coming to a correct decision. Rule number 4. So please remember, whenever you go to the court, you must appreciate or you must apprise the court with the correct decisions, not in the wrong direction. Is it not? So here we are going to discuss regarding citing of the overruled judgments. For example, in Cite versus Venkat Subbaya, what happened? That is personal dignity, section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act, you all know. It was overruled by next judgment, Sarojini. So I do not remember the name correctly. Sarojini, yes, Antara correct. Right? So in that connection, it has been overruled. Like that, Jian Kaur case or P. Nagaratnam, section 306 IPC, 309 IPC, that is attempt to commit murder. In Nagabhushan case, yes, they have got a right to die. But in Jian Kaur case, it is stated that you cannot die. Article 21, lot of discussions. So sometimes the so-called judgments will be overruled. For example, say if any police officer register a case under section 66A of the Information Technology Act, so he will be asked, come on, go and refer to the case, very famous case of Shreya Shinghal versus Union of India 2014, where the Honorable Supreme Court of India, two judges, Justice Chalmeshwar and Rohington Nariman, they held that it is against to the spirit of Article 19, freedom of speech and expression. So please remember, as an advocate, that's why advocacy, the profession of advocacy is a 24/7 profession. You must always concentrate on the law, that's all. Law, just like Justice Hoffman said, I know only the client, I know only the law. That's all, provisions of law. So, if necessary, whenever there is necessity, you have to file the latest judgments, not the overruled judgment. If you file the overruled judgment, it will be professional misconduct, as stated in the case of State of Orissa versus Nalinikantha Mudali 2004. This is for this only I am making this video. Please remember, the Supreme Court held that members of the bar, they are officers of the court. So duty to assist the court is an onerous duty leveled on their part. So please remember, citing an overruled judgment, it comes under misconduct. Normally, we will not have. It happened when I was present in the court in Ongole itself. So already previously, the ADJ, his name is Mr. Sri Ismail, he has already cautioned the advocate, Arey Baba, you are filing, already told him, your typist is typing the overruled judgments, don't do it. But in the next stage also, same cut copy paste method. Presently the problem is the lawyers is they don't see what is typed. They depend on the professional typist. That man doesn't know the overruled judgment. That's the main problem. Once again he cited and immediately he banged the advocate. Of course that advocate was a junior person. He banged the advocate stating that I am going to take the matter as a contempt of court, or I will write to our Bar Council of India, for professional Bar Council of AP, as you have exhibited the professional misconduct. Like that the problems may come. So please remember, you have to assist the court as an officer of the court, and you have to guide the court in a correct way, but do not cite the overruled judgment basing on this case law. Please remember this much, it will be sufficient. Thank you very much.